चलिए, in previous lecture we have discussed what is capacitor. Now in this lecture we will study the working principle of capacitor. Capacitor is basically arrangement of conductor so as to store large amount of charge in a small area. Let us let us take a conductor. Whatever length you want you can take, and whatever area we want we can take. Initially it is given charge 0. Initial charge is 0. When initial charge is 0, then initial potential is also 0. Now slowly we will start giving charge to this conductor. On giving maximum charge Q, it acquire maximum potential of V. इसका मतलब है कि अब हमने इसको maximum charge Q दे दिया है और उस समय इसका potential maximum V हो गया. We can't give more charge than this amount because it has reached its saturation point. Now what we will do? Now we will bring an uncharged conductor near this conductor. Since we have given charge plus Q, this charge will be distributed on this conductor as shown in figure. Now when this uncharged conductor will be brought near this conductor, a charge will induce on this conductor. Negative will be induced on inner surface and positive will induce on outer surface. This negative charge will try to reduce potential of this conductor, whereas this positive charge will try to increase potential. So what we will experience, on bringing this conductor near this conductor, this charged conductor, charges get induced. This negative charge will try to reduce its potential a little amount, and this positive charge will try to induce or increase its potential. So the overall effect will be decrease in potential. The overall effect will be decrease in potential. This is because this charge is more nearer to this conductor. So its effect will be more than this positive charge. So overall potential of this capacitor or conductor will reduce. Therefore, to restore its potential to V value, we can now substitute more charge on this कंडक्टर. अब हम दोबारा V पे लाने के लिए इसको थोड़ा सा चार्ज और दे सकते हैं. तो जब हम थोड़ा सा चार्ज और दे देंगे तो हम मान लेते हैं कि ये वापस अपने पोजीशन पे आ गया. नाउ व्हाट वी विल डू, नाउ वी विल अर्थ दिस कंडक्टर, दिस पोर्शन वी विल अर्थ. दिस इज अर्थिंग. When we will earth this conductor, what will happen? This all positive charge will flow to earth via this wire. Will flow to earth. All this positive charge will flow to earth. Then what will happen? Only negative charge will be here. So the factor which was increasing the potential of this conductor get into earth via earthing, and the factor which was reducing its potential remain here. मतलब जो पोटेंशियल बढ़ा रहा था वो अर्थ में चला गया और जो घटा रहा था वो यहाँ बच गया. तो अब जो है ओवरऑल इसका पोटेंशियल क्या होगा, और ज्यादा घट जाएगा. दिस पोटेंशियल विल डिक्रीज मोर बिकॉज द फैक्टर विच वाज इंक्रीजिंग इट गेट रिमूव्ड. सो पोटेंशियल नाउ डिक्रीज्ड मच मोर देन अर्लियर ड्यू टू दिस अर्थिंग. Now we can substitute more charge, and by giving this charge we again raise back to its maximum potential. So what we observe here, the charge storing ability of this conductor was only Q, but by help of an earth uncharged conductor it now stores charge which is much greater than Q. Therefore, the charge storing ability of this conductor get increases by bringing it near to an uncharged earth conductor. And this is the working principle of capacitor. The working principle of capacitor is that charge storing ability of a conductor can be increased by help of an uncharged earth conductor. So like this is working principle. Like this we can make a lot of conductor. If we place two spherical plates or conductor one by one near one another and make one plate earth, then it will also act as capacitor, and where we can store large amount of charge. So student, thank you. See you in a